Hello, welcome back to the Lost Rides of Mania in Ireland. Today we're going to look at the Turtle Splash from Barry's Amusements. IE Park is a reasonably large company that specialises in building family-friendly amusement rides. For years, IE Park built relatively large log flume rides, but in the mid-90s to early 2000s, they decided to build a smaller, more child-friendly version of the log flume. This model traversed an oval-shaped layout, rather than the other ones which traversed a sort of a figure-8 style layout. Among the layout, there was a tiny drop which could get you very wet, even wetter than some larger log flume rides. In 2006, Barry's Amusements were looking for two new rides. One was a KMG experience, which would be replacing the old satellite ride. The other one was, of course, the now iconic Turtle Splash. Unlike the experience, the ride was not ready for opening day. This is believed to have been due to parts arriving late for the ride. When the ride eventually arrived at Barry's Amusements, it was placed in between the Freakout and Big Dipper, tightly I might add. The site of the ride had not been used since 2004, where there was a junior drop tower on the site before Freakout was added. The ride opened just in time for summer 2006. It was very well received by both children, and even the parents enjoyed the ride. The ride also featured on-ride photography, and this was quickly another popular part of the rides. I'm pretty sure at least everyone has at least one fridge magnet from Barry's Amusements which shows them on the Turtle Splash. I have 7. Also, when the ride did open, most of the ride was painted green, but for some reason, the lift structure and drop were unpainted. In the mid-2010s, the whole ride was repainted to blue, including the lift structure. The ride will continue to operate with little modifications, such as an iceberg-style theming part being added to the drop. As we all know with a lot of these Barry's Amusements videos, the park was put up for sale in late 2019. Turtle Splash would be left standing but not operating for the next 2 years. Owen Curry then bought the park, and the ride was still standing. But last minute, the ride was removed. Same with Cyclone. The ride is still advertised for sale on Rides Mania, but Rides Mania doesn't really update when a ride is sold. So at the moment, we do not know what happened to the ride. Most likely, the ride has been scrapped. But if it ever pops up again somewhere else, I'll let you know. At the moment, nothing is currently on the site of Turtle Splash. But we could see something on the site in the future, such as a Miami or possibly Altitude. But that is extremely unlikely. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of the Lost Rides of Mania in Ireland, and I hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for more videos from this series, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.